I got a book of the month in the mail. It's a larger one. My mistake was that I was paying for book of the month and I didn't realize it, so I had a bunch of credits stocked up. I did save, I think I had 4 stocked up, and I was like, whoopsies. I just haven't been interested in the book of the month in a little bit. I did have like a reading slump at the beginning of this year, so I feel like that's partly why I just kind of ignored it and completely forgot. On book of the month, you can get more than just the book of the month. You can like order multiple things. So I used 3 of my credits. I'm gonna give you guys a book haul today from book of the month. Hopefully I didn't show you my address. I'm excited. I'm gonna open this. You wanna open it with me? Ah, you've got great taste. Yeah, I do. Okay, so I got 3 books. One was actually a book of the month. One of these books I've wanted forever. I just haven't picked it up. I actually don't even know what it's about, but I feel like it's gonna be a perfect summer read. So if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it would make me really happy. So let's get into the 3 books I got off book of the month this month, and it is June. The first book I got is, wow, that's blown out, Malibu Rising by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I've wanted to read this book for a while. I think it's the June 2021 book of the month, so it's been a little while. So if you haven't read this book, which I'm guessing you probably have if you're watching this video, it is a story about one unforgettable night in the life of a family, the night they each have to choose what they will keep from the people who made them and what they will leave behind. It sounds like there's a big party. It's actually based in 1983, but it's like a big party situation and then something happens. I don't know. I just skimmed that so quick. Couldn't tell ya. But I'm really excited because I want to get more into Taylor Jenkins Reid books. Like, I tried to read Daisy Jones and the Six, but I couldn't get through it. So I will try it again. Don't worry. I just wasn't in the right mind space. Sometimes it happens. This is definitely on my TBR in the upcoming months because it just looks like a summer book. Like, it's so pretty. All right, so the next book I got is a little larger. It is One Last Stop by Casey McQuiston. And this book was in the Pride section of Book of the Month, and I wanted something different other than male-female. I'm pretty sure this one is female-female. Let me read the inside thingy. This girl doesn't think love stories exist. She meets a gorgeous girl on the train named Jane. It's a magical, sexy, big-hearted romance where the impossible becomes possible as August does everything in her power to save the girl lost in time. Don't totally know what that means, but I'm excited to read it. I just love the cover. Like the purple. Come on. This book is The Lifestyle, a novel by Taylor Hahn. So this book, I'm pretty sure, is about a polyamorous relationship. 1 female, 2 males. Let me make sure that's correct. It sounds very interesting. The sun came out again, so now I'm gonna get blown out. This sounds very interesting. It's about this woman who catches her husband cheating on her with one of his associates or something. And she decides instead of breaking up with him, they're gonna become swingers and solve their problem that way. And it sounds like there's like maybe an old crush that comes into the play, like from college or high school. I can't remember what it said. But this sounds very interesting. Like, I feel like the dynamics in this book are gonna be really cool. It's just something different. I'm excited to read this one. This is why I got the book of the month, just because this was such a different type of book. I mean, I read like MMF type books and like multiple partners in a relationship, but this one sounds more real life. Like, this woman is a lawyer and she's got her life figured out, as you would say, and then something happens and they become swingers. So that's super interesting. I feel like I picked up a good random balance of a book of the month books, and now I can add them to my collection. I just need to make sure that I'm not paying for monthly book of the month still, because I don't need all these books. So I have like no space for these, but I think I'm going to move like these older books that I have over there and put these next to my other book of the month that I never read. And then let's go here. This shelf really has no rhyme or reason, but now all my book of the month books are together, looking beautiful. Anyways, let me know if you guys get book of the month. I would love to hear what books you picked for this month. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting a video very soon here, and leave a comment below. Like I just said, what book did you pick up from book of the month? I have no clue. Are they like, do you get them at the beginning of the month, or do you just get them when you pay for it? Because today is June 12th. Who knows? But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.